Alright. Yeah, 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 yeah. Hey, so gotta thank Fabs in the house for this one, because he's the one that sent me this little prize. I ordered from all the companies, and so he included this, and I was like super excited to see what this is about. So I don't know why I swallowed that fly. We're just gonna pop it open, because for whatever reason, I'm sure it's gonna present itself. Super excited about this. So here is the ACEdc original haptic coin Mario. This is Super Mario 2. So I ordered these because I'm a total Mario player all my life. I was never that good. I sucked, and I still do. But I like to play, and I got to do it a little bit here and there. I was lucky enough to do it, and loved it. I think I figured out what this white thing is for, by the way, for this the NFE transmitter. I couldn't remember. I think I was calling it something else. Anyway, let's just cover this really quick. I think if you do this, wait. Yeah, I think it just makes that louder. I think it just makes the sound louder. Anyways, I have to turn to that some other day. Anyways, back to this. The ACDC. I always want to say ACDC because, you know, ba-ba-dow, ba-ba-dow, shaka-da-ga-ga-dow. No. Yeah, because that's a good band, you know. Band I lost my hearing to. Because when I was 15, I was dumb enough to stick my head in the speaker, snuck up the front row, and oh yeah, brains, Paul. Brains, didn't have them. So my ears ring every day now thanks to that. And so looking like this, we get this extra, I don't know what they call that, but it's important to making the sound. Look at this cool thing. Carry every day. Put this back here on my black mirror. Oh, and I figured out the hammer too. My last video, I couldn't figure out how to get the hammer to spin. It's because I had one too many pieces, which I put away. So we're onward and upward with that one. Yeehaw. So here's this. Clear this out of here. We like the boxes. Gosh, that purple is gorgeous. That's a beautiful purple right there. I love purple, my favorite color. Got our ACDC guy. And the original. So, back to this. guessing, guessing this. Well, first, let's do this. Mario and Luigi. Oh, look how cute. It's so cool. Wow. That color is gorgeous. What? That is so cool. And so this side has the little underground play on it, where they get to make it down, 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 down. So, there's that, and then it does the haptic coin. I'm so bad at coins. Something about my thumb doesn't like doing them. So that's why I like sliders and spinners better. But here we are. Hey, there it goes. Ooh, I like this one. Oh, I'm so bad. You know, but that's okay. It's, I'm just going to go ahead and say it's not my thing, but of course that bothers me because I want to do everything good. Because that's the kind of guy I am. That's why I do so many things. I get pretty good at most of them. So this thing here, Mr. Fablades in the house. Fab in the house. So anyway, yeah, I wonder. I bet. Do we go like this? Then we can get it out. Oh, come on. Seriously? Oh, it wants to come apart. It's just got some good magnets in it. And I got no nails. I cut all my nails. Excuse me. Oh, I'm so sorry about this. Oh, maybe I can't, Oh man, what is that? I want to put this on here. That's going to make it like a double coin. I think it's going to make it double coin. And I tried to look up any videos. Pretty much ended up watching all of his videos. Just to try to find this. There it comes apart like that. This is wanting to stick in there like that. Like I said, it's you're wanting to stick in there like that. Like that, like that. That's what I'm talking about. Perfect. Now this, do you think would go like this? And then this, oh, I don't know. They gave you an extra one, I guess. I'm just going to try it because that's what we're doing here. That's why we're doing this. So, Mr. Fab, is this it? Is this it? Could it be? It's the sandwich. Doesn't seem like it's going to work, though. I'm not feeling it. It's like got a... I mean, in a wild way, it's kind of... But I would say that's a no for this thing being... This piece being useful. I mean, I'll send him an email. I'm sure he'll be helpful. Maybe he'll remember what he did. Maybe he'll be like, I don't know what was taped to the box. But at any rate, this is fantastic coin. I just think these coins are beautiful and fun to carry around anyway. I like to do them when I'm driving because I get stressed as heck when I'm driving. So I do like to do them, even though I'm not the best at getting that sound out of there. But anyways, that's it. I think I'm kind of long-winded on these, but that's okay. The way I am. If you know me, you know I like to talk. Gift of gab, my mom used to say.